Hello, my name is Mihir Nakra.
I'm Tushar Jain.
My name is Jaishil Shah.
And I'm Tarun Kholay.
We are all students at Centennial High School, and our company of choice today is Tidwell Auto Service. And what we're going to help them provide is a new and easy way to ensure safe transportation in unsafe times. But first of all, what is Tidwell? Well, like I said, Tidwell is an auto service company that is located in Plano, Texas, and they've been there for over 40 years, which has allowed them to establish a loyal customer base. Some of the services that they can provide is maintenance and automotive repair, engine auto service, heating and air conditioner repair. Essentially, any service that you would find at an automotive shop, Tidwell can offer as well. To give you an idea of Tidwell's financial health, last year Tidwell had a net income of $408,000. And unfortunately, because Tidwell is a small privately owned company, we were not able to find the rest of the information. But by analyzing other automotive companies and by using industry standards, we were able to project the rest of the values, and we've arrived at these numbers. To give you more of an idea of what Tidwell is good at and what it's lacking in, some of Tidwell's strengths is that one, they're easily available because they're located in an area with a lot of housing nearby, so people can get to Tidwell really easily. And also, Tidwell has a small number of experienced employees. Because Tidwell is a second generation family owned company, the technicians that work there have been working in the automotive and service industry their whole lives, meaning that they can do the same amount of repairs with less people, and Tidwell saves a lot of money in labor costs. On top of that, Tidwell has a lot of loyal customers. Like I mentioned previously, because Tidwell has been around so long, they've established a strong customer base, and that customer base has kept them profitable throughout the years that they've been in business. However, they do have some weaknesses because Tidwell has limited customers. So even though they have the loyal customer base, Tidwell isn't able to expand and find new customer segments, which is going to hurt them in the long run. And also they have a weakness that that has arisen in the past couple months because coronavirus pandemic has become a problem. Customers, even though they may live nearby Tidwell, they're not able to leave their houses and get to Tidwell, which is causing a problem for Tidwell. And then also people aren't driving as much because they aren't leaving their houses as often. So Tidwell isn't having as many customers as they used to because people don't need repairs as often, which is hurting Tidwell because their business is decreasing. However, even though they have these weaknesses, they do have some opportunities, especially one that we're going to help them provide, which is a new delivering service. And that is going to help their business grow. And we'll talk more about that a little bit later. And then finally, Tidwell does have threats. The one that I mentioned was coronavirus. And because of coronavirus, the number of customers available for mechanic shops is decreasing, which is increasing the competition between all the mechanic shops because they're all competing for a smaller number of customers.
Now, let's move on from the company itself and focus on the problem at hand. Now, in general, businesses throughout the US have been struggling to find customers, and with the recent outbreak of the coronavirus, it is even harder for these companies to find customers. With a limited number of customers comes a decline in profit, putting many of these companies at the risk of bankruptcy. Now, we know Tidwell is also in this situation because the automotive service industry is projected to decline at 20%, and since Tidwell is part of that industry, they will decline with it. Now, since Tidwell is a repair shop, they cannot conduct business online as they're a face-to-face business, making it hard to reach out to customers. Now, along with that, since there is a limited amount of customers, competition is even worse because there's more and more companies trying to go for a smaller amount of customers.
With this in place, we can move on to the solution. Our strategy is to mobilize Tidwell. Our strategy prioritizes preventing contact and social distance between workers and customers. Most customers won't come to stores because of the obvious health risk involved. But by mobilizing Tidwell, we also aim to eliminate customer concern of COVID-19 as Tidwell's experienced workers can work while customers stay inside their home. Our idea is to equip Tidwell with trucks and to create an online interface so that Tidwell can help customers at their house or work. We still believe that Tidwell will have customers as essential workers still use their vehicles to travel back and forth between work. 15% of Americans fall into this category and we will still need mechanical work done. Specifically for Plano, 44,000 workers are still commuting to work and our customers we believe Tidwell should target. In order to target this group of people, we will use social media due to its undeniably large presence in today's society and because advertising is very cost efficient for Tidwell. Additionally, in order to promote customers, we are planning to give out coupons through email. With this strategy, we have projected the growth that accompanies our solution. The two main differences are first, transportation costs of goods sold, as workers will have added costs to run their trucks, such as gas, and second, the cost in order to buy trucks and their equipments. Overall, we still believe there will be an increase in profit. Specifically, we believe there will be a $56,000 increase in profit from 2019, or a 30% increase. For our process, we want to keep it as simple as possible. All that our customers need to do is either call Tidwell or visit their website, schedule their appointment that fits their schedule, and finally wait on Tidwell mechanics to show up at the scheduled time at your destination. For our customers, we have created a simple and intuitive interface. We hope to make this process as easy as possible, like I stated before, but we also want to include other features such as bill tracking and online payment.
Now, with our solution bringing the workers to the customers, there are two categories of risks that have been brought up. These categories include health risks as well as company efficiency. So starting off with the health risk, not only is there a risk for workers to bring in customers to their shop, but it can cause a spread of the COVID-19 disease. Tidwell can overcome this risk by taking numerous safety precautions, such as wearing face masks and gloves, along with taking social distancing measures. Along with the health risk, efficiency of the company is also reduced. This can occur as essential machines that the company needs are not with the workers as they are out and about conducting business. Along with this, there is a large amount of time required to set up the tools and machines onto the trucks, causing a lot of difficulty. This can be avoided by maximizing storage on the trucks and planning ahead of time what tools and machinery will be required to do the job.
To implement this plan, we created a timeline for Tidwell Automotive. On May 4th, the Monday following the day we turn this in, Tidwell should purchase trucks, order shelving to place inside trucks, install shelving inside the trucks, and fill the trucks with equipment. On May 10th, Tidwell should implement an appointment system on the website and add an access of the website through an app. Then Tidwell should begin advertising on social media and send out digital coupons via email. On May 17th, Tidwell should start their service and begin servicing automobiles. And on June 20th, we recommend Tidwell should analyze customer reviews and use the customer feedback to actually improve the customer experience. Once the coronavirus pandemic has subsided, Tidwell Automotive should invest in more trucks for the mobile mechanic program. And Tidwell should expand to neighboring cities in order to attract more customers. If you guys have any questions at all, you can find us at these places, and thank you.